that I can't answer. I can't answer the question. I'm sorry. I don't know the answer. So I go find out the answer and then I just leveled up. Trading by hand, though, is like not, you don't level up. You just sit there and stare at the charts. So that's trash. You're half right, and the half you were right about is the useful half, but it's not hyperliquid. The real workaround is volume, not OI. Open interest is stale, volume is live. And the free CBOE file has both. Here is today's SPX chain. Pulled just now. Near the money on today's expiry, volume is 7.1x the open interest. So a GEX built on OI alone is blind to about 85% of the flow that actually moved the market today. That is the flaw in the tool, and you sniffed it out. The fix is what paid vendors do and do not advertise. Start with yesterday's OI, then add today's volume with a stride guess. Trade printed at the ask means a customer bought. So dealer got shorter. Trade printed at the ask means a customer bought. That's right. Because they crossed the spread. Printed at the bid means the customer sold. The dealer had to get longer. Okay, this is actually fucking interesting, dude. Okay, the CBOE file gives you bid, ask, and last trade price. So you can go through a rough version of this for free. Pull it, diff the volume, sign each change. That is most of what you're paying for a spot gamma for. One thing worth knowing, so you don't go hunting, nobody has live intraday OI. Not IB, not poly, okay. The hyperliquid part, no, that does not work, okay. Two problems, and first is fatal. The perp has no gamma. The venue's too small, but your instinct points somewhere real. You're reaching for the right shape. GEX matters because someone is forced to trade at a certain price level. You already built that side. Two forced flow maps. This is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna give you all the code too. Okay, so this is gonna be sick, bro. Watch this. The only people that could see your positions were exchanges and maybe Wall Street if they paid extra for it. I don't know. You know, I can theorize about that all I want. But I know for a fact that Binance can see your positions. I know for a fact that BitMEX could see your positions. There's been many, many stories of BitMEX seeing somebody's position, saying, hey, let's hunt them. Take all those fees. The fees are ginormous when you get liquidated. and then reverse the market. And that just happened over and over and over again back in the day. And it just shows the writing on the wall that that still happens probably on Binance and these closed source exchanges. Well, Hyperliquid allows us to see everybody's positions. But again, if you want to see everybody's positions, you actually have to follow every single trade that's happening in the order books. Every single trade and get every single wallet and then follow their positions by making an API call. Now, if you're doing that across multiple bots or you want to see everybody's positions, it's pretty much impossible with the Hyperliquid API. So that's one of my favorite parts of this Moondev API. So I need that to be like accentuated. And I've never even used a prop firm account. So let me go ahead and try to figure that out. Thank you. Yeah, so let me know in the chat, what prop firm do you use? Traderman, co-founder of Breakout Prop. Okay. Let me know in the chat what prop firm you use, and I'm gonna try to automate it. TopStep lets you trade CME group futures only. No stocks, no options, no spot forex, no ICE. Equity, ES, NQ, YM, RTY. So all of them essentially. Energy, CL, QM. Okay. Metals, GC. Okay, so you got plenty of exposure here. I wonder if there's any BTC. Currencies. 6E. Crypto. Okay. Micro Bitcoin. Micro Ether. 3 things that bite people: no options on futures, futures outright only. Position limit scale with account size, not symbol. Okay, I'm gonna look into these other prop firms. If you guys throw any other prop firms in the chat, I will go ahead and look into them as well to see if I can automate there as well. Pretty much looking into finding the best prop firm for automation. And then I'll go ahead and try to automate it. You know? This roadmap here, I'll go ahead and show you actually. You get this full roadmap where I show you step by step exactly how to use AI to automate your trading. So this roadmap is years and years of work. I take you through some of my best videos. I invite you to my Discord. I answer all your frequently asked questions. I give you my actual framework for automated trading. I give you hundreds of ideas. I give you my book list. I give you a bunch of data. And until right now, I don't know, but I actually do have some information on it. I got a little information on it now, so we'll go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and get the key for the Zoom chat. And I do have questions for you guys. What prop firm do you use? Let me know in the chat, what prop firm do you use? So prop firms are like TopStep, or what prop firm do you use? What prop firm do you use? Prop firm, I have something that already works that passes the test. Every death was 3% daily rule. The 6% max drawdown never mattered once. Both of us were focused on the wrong number. Your strategies bunched losses into single ugly days, and negative 3% from the UTC balance is much tighter than where they actually died, the funded account. Survive.